Looking for the ultimate RC car that delivers a gaming-like experience? The right RC car can transform your play sessions into thrilling adventures that rival virtual racing games. Today, we're diving into the top 3 best RC car for gaming that give you that immersive gaming feel with real-world excitement. Check out the link in the description for special discounts. Number 3, Ford WD Super Brushless RC Car. Our journey begins with this impressive high-speed buggy. This Ford WD remote control car combines raw power with precision handling to create an experience that feels just like controlling a vehicle in your favorite racing game. It reaches speeds up to 80 km per hour, making it one of the fastest options available for RC enthusiasts. With its 4-wheel drive system and 4 independent suspension spring shock absorbers, this vehicle handles challenging terrain with remarkable stability. The alloy drive shaft provides durability that plastic alternatives simply can't match. What sets this apart for gaming enthusiasts? The 2.4 GHz synchronous remote control system offers proportional control over throttle and speed, creating that nuanced gameplay feel. You can switch between high speed for experienced users and low speed for beginners, just like adjusting difficulty settings in your favorite game. Features you may be looking for. Reaches speeds of 60 to 70 km per hour. 4-wheel drive with independent suspension. Durable alloy components. High/low speed settings. LED headlights with multiple modes. Moving on to our next contender. Number 2, ZWN MN82 RC Pickup Truck. Bringing a different dimension to RC gaming with its impressive climbing capabilities. If you enjoy off-road gaming adventures, this 1/12 scale truck will translate that experience into reality. This pickup truck stands out with its realistic design that mirrors actual vehicles. When you take control of this RC car, you'll feel like you're navigating terrain in an off-road simulator, except you're witnessing the action in real life. The sturdy construction combines metal and plastic components to deliver durability without excessive weight. It runs on a lithium battery that provides approximately 30 minutes of adventure time, perfect for extended gaming sessions. The control system allows for precise movements across challenging landscapes, making it ideal for creating your own off-road scenarios. What makes this truck particularly appealing is its impressive 100-meter remote distance. This extended range gives you the freedom to explore vast areas without losing connection, similar to the expansive worlds you'd find in open-world driving games. With its 4-channel controller, you have nuanced control over your vehicle's movements. Features you may be looking for. 4 WD climbing capabilities, 100-meter remote control distance, 30-minute battery life, 1/12 scale realistic truck design, 4-channel control system. Taking our number 1 position is the Skymaker AE86 model RC drift car. The best RC car for gaming excels with its precision handling that mirrors what you'd experience in drift racing games. It comes equipped with an ESP gyroscope that stabilizes the car during drifts, allowing you to perform controlled slides that would make any gaming enthusiast proud. The 2.4G remote control system offers responsive inputs that feel natural in your hands. It features LED lighting that enhances the visual experience, creating that arcade-like atmosphere as you race. The combination of metal and plastic construction strikes the perfect balance between durability and performance, much like a well-designed gaming controller. With a battery life of about 30 minutes and a remote distance exceeding 30 meters, this car provides enough range and endurance for satisfying drift sessions. The 7.4 volts charging voltage ensures quick recharges, minimizing downtime between your RC adventures. Features you may be looking for. ESP gyroscope for controlled drifting. Responsive 2.4G remote control system. LED lighting for enhanced visual experience. 30-minute battery life. Metal and plastic construction. Conclusion. After reviewing these 3 outstanding RC cars, the Skymaker AE86 stands out as the best RC car for gaming enthusiasts. Its drift capabilities, responsive controls, and overall design create an experience that most closely resembles what gamers love about racing titles. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell.